Hey and welcome to our first setting up video of your new website. Today's video will be focused on setting up the simple things in cPanel and connecting to the backend of the website with FileZilla and FTP client. Let's get right into it. So first you want to open your email you got from your hosting provider, in my case Namecheap. Find what says name servers, or it might be abbreviated to NS. These are what tells the domain where to send the user or client. If you don't have these set up properly, then your domain will show an error page. Go into a domain provider, in my case GoDaddy, or anybody who sells domain names, and find what it says change name servers or something similar to that. If you can't find this, then search into Google how to do this or drop a comment below and I will help you. Now that they are changed, it might take a while for them to propagate. Propagation is where the domain is updating worldwide and in some cases can take up to 48 hours. To check if yours is updated yet, you can go to dnschecker.org, type in your domain and select NS from the drop down menu, then click search. In the section next to one of the countries, it should show the new NS servers. If it still shows something that you don't recognise, then it means they're not propagated yet. And check back every couple hours because they should update quite quickly. Now that you've linked the domain and hosting together, we can go on and start creating and viewing the back end of the website. Go to one of the links it might list in the email. In some case it might be like, it might say your domain /com/cPanel, or it might give you another one like server /web/hosting.com. Do not choose the one with your domain name because that one won't work until the domain is propagated. Now use the login info you were given in that email. If these don't work, try logging in through your hosting provider's dashboard. This panel is where you can check the status of your website, create email accounts, and install SSL certificates. In the next video, you'll be looking at how to install SSL certificates, so stick around for that. In this video, we will not be using cPanel, but keep these login details fresh in your mind because you will need them again. We are now going to access the backend of the website where all the files and code is stored. To get to this, you will need an FTP client, and in this video we will be using FileZilla. There's a download link if you want to get this yourself in the description below. Open up your software and navigate to the button in the top left which looks like 3 server towers. Click this and it will open a menu, then select new site. Enter the hostname. For me this is the same address which I went to log into cPanel, server /web/hosting.com. If you are on Namecheap, then this will be the same but with the 3 stars as 3 different numbers. I'm going to leave the port number blank and head straight to the use box. Enter the same username as password as on cPanel and in the email. This should now let you log in and enter the file system for your website. Find the folder called www, or in my case public_html. It will depend on your hosting. Click on it and you are now in the main folder of your website. Anything you upload here can be viewed on your website. We will use this folder once we start coding the actual website. Sadly, we will not be starting to code this video, but stick around for that. Well, that ends this video. Next video, we'll be focusing on installing an SSL certificate to your new website. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out the rest of my videos talking about how to build your brand new website. And I'll see you guys next time.